As the German brand shrinks its two-door lineup, the AMG GT is keeping the bad boy coupe dream alive at Mercedes. If the new 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT demonstrates anything, it could be that if you build it, they don't always come. The AMG model survives into 2024 with a V8 rumble, but a distinct move toward the mainstream gives this model more widespread appeal. Based partially on customer feedback, the 2024 AMG GT is larger, more comfortable, and more practical than before. But before enthusiasts write angry letters to Mercedes, let's take a moment to enjoy the launch of another low-to-the-ground, sporty two-door. One that's still here for 2024. Consolidation and electrification are big at Mercedes right now, with the stylish CLE class replacing two other coupes and 700 horsepower plug-in hybrids launching from AMG. Whoa! Yet here we are, with the non-hybrid 2024 AMG GT V8 coupe, which offers a rear seat and standard all-wheel drive. The 500 HP Grand Tourer? Even if the GT55's rear seats are mostly used for weekend duffel, the just-in-case functionality of two extra seats delivers enough peace of mind to make them worth it, even if accessing them will never be as comfortable as the seats in a GT four-door coupe. Trust us, we tried the back seat in person. Sales were never the only purpose of a brand-building car like the AMG GT coupe, but the AMG four-door coupe is probably an easier sell. The latter boasts 4 doors, snob appeal, and a base price of around $100,000. The revived AMG GT coupe will start for tens of thousands of dollars more than that with a standard V8 engine under its long hood. Two models exist at launch. 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT 55 Coupe. 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Coupe. The 2-to-4-seat GT55 model gets a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 469 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. These are impressive numbers that may sound familiar from the SL55. The 2-seat GT63 uses a higher tuning of the same engine, good for 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft, so for now, there's no complex plug-in hybrid AMG powertrain as we've seen on new performance models including the C63, S63, and GLC63 SE Performance. We've tested the SL55 hitting 60 miles per hour in only 3.6 seconds, and the SL63 making the 0 to 60 miles per hour run in only 3.1 seconds. The 2024 AMG GT coupes should be at least as quick. Mercedes estimates 3.2 seconds for 0 to 62 miles per hour. No matter the model, the new 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe will provide straight-line thrills even if drivers are accustomed to electric performance models. AWD and performance tech for all. What happens when the road curves? No longer a rear-wheel drive model, the new AMG GT Coupe includes a standard AMG-tuned AWD system. Depending on situation and drive mode, the all-wheel drive system can shift all the torque to the rear axle or split it evenly between the front and rear. In the SL55, we found the AWD setup let the car get tail-happy in its sportier drive modes. We've already seen an AMG GT Coupe prototype doing donuts at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, so the two doors should be ready for some sideways fun if you have the space and skill. This is the sportiest car in our lineup, said Matthias Schmidt, the AMG GT's lead product manager, in an interview with Motor Trend. With the GT, Schmidt added, Mercedes-AMG proves it can engineer serious sports cars. But can it rival our favorite rear-engine Porsche, the 911? We'll see. As for the more comfortable ride, that's a claim we look forward to testing for ourselves. The new AMG GT Coupe has AMG Active Ride Control, an advanced piece of tech we've experienced on the SL63. Here, The tech is standard on both the GT55 and GT63 models, where it replaces anti-roll bars with interlinked hydraulic lines that impact the ride. It's supposed to make the car corner more flatly, which should help at high speeds and the twisties when the driver encounters an unexpected bump. In the SL63, we found the tech resulted in a stiff ride that's livable yet not plush. Will that be the case with the GT Coupe, a car that hasn't had the best reputation for ride quality? Mercedes says the tech has a unique tuning here with the 2024 AMG GT, so it's possible. Even sporty cars can have nice ride quality. One feature owners will surely appreciate: the tech can raise the front axle by 1.2 inches, which is sometimes the difference between a cringe-inducing scrape and a clean entry into a driveway. Rear axle steering is also standard on the 2024 AMG GT Coupe. That's good, as we're fans of Mercedes' version of this industry tech. Here, the rears move up to 2.5 degrees in the same direction as the fronts at speeds above 62 miles per hour, or in the opposite direction when traveling slower than 62, which is about 100 kilometers per hour for those keeping track. The automaker notes that the tech has been specially tuned for use in the AMG GT Coupe.